All right, go Pack go. This is the video to find the winner of my four-way full-size helmet winner's choice. So we'll check the time, December 13th at 2:05 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have December 13th at 2:05 p.m. Where are we here? There we go. There's our list of 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joseph. Spot 2 is your winner. So, Joe, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 13th. 2:06 p.m., and I will have another ready to go here after Joe makes his pick. Thanks, guys.